How to suggest your TikTok account to your Facebook friends. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to suggest your TikTok account to your Facebook friends. It's so easy. All you need to do is follow those steps I'm gonna give you. First thing, go to your TikTok. You should have a Facebook account, and now click on those three buttons up there. Click on setting and privacy. And now click on privacy. Now click on suggest your account to others. And now turn on Facebook friends. Suggest your account to your Facebook friends. You haven't contacted to Facebook, contact your Facebook account for this setting. So now you can suggest your account to others, which is your Facebook friends. So this is it guys, it's so easy. Hope this video was helpful to you, and if you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.